Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing about Bitcoin. Are we ready to break finally this wall over here and go to all-time high today? If you're new to the channel, of course, please subscribe. We post one video every single day about Bitcoin and crypto trading. Now let's cut the chase, guys. I'm going to show you straight away what's happening right now with BTC. You can see that what we could be forming right now with Bitcoin, it's a potential pattern called an inverted head and shoulder. This pattern is very important because usually signifies a reversal in trend with the target. If you calculate this area over here to this area over here and translate it over here, it can bring us to this extension of Fibonacci at $83,000 to $100, which if this all plays out, by the end of November, we could be reaching this target over here or even as high as $90,000. Of course, guys, let me know in the comments what do you think about this, but this is a scenario that could definitely play out. What is going to be very important, guys, that we're going to be able right now in the next few days or so, the next few days also weeks, to be able to clear this area over here. Bitcoin is pretty much reaching right now an big area of resistance and supply around this area over here, which is at $70,000. So what I could be seeing right now could be another push of BTC to try to reach this area over here, a little bit of a correction down to this area, maybe down to 64,000, 65,000, and then a final breakout up to 83 to $85,000. It's funny because yesterday we were calling with our VIP group. I specifically saying the Bitcoin analysis when everybody was so bearish yesterday. I said that we could have seen potentially 66,400, 500, and then a big rebound around 69,000. Guys, this what has exactly happened. That's why you need to be in a community like our VIP group where you can trade and make money every single day. Like our call yesterday on Solana, you can see everything recorded over here, just closing today 100% at the 30% profit. But look at the other member guys making crazy results. For short term, long term, guys, we have altcoin analysis. Long term, we have altcoin 4 or 5 analysis every single day in order to understand when to buy, when to sell. My calls, professional calls, crypto chat, anything you can think of, right? If you want to make money in this game, guys, don't be alone. Come and join the VIP group. You will not regret it. Now, let's have a look, guys, what's happening right now short term with BTC to show you what can be happening right now. I've been saying so many times in my VIP group that we are still into what we call a channel over here, guys. The channel is pretty much around this area over here. You can see that we are touching pretty much just this level of support. So as long as we're not going to lose the channel over here, we're going to keep doing this, guys. There's no other way around. But of course, if we're going to break the channel, then we could think about a short-term correction, maybe down to this area over here at $64,000 to then, of course, reclaim all the way up. But right now, guys, things are looking a little bit exhausted, in my opinion. There are a few indicators, like, for example, relative strength index, RSI, showing a potential upcoming divergence. Not yet. The divergence could be coming once Bitcoin is going to be able to reach around over here, around $70,000. That could be making absolute sense, because what they're going to do with BTC is going to go and take all the liquidity coming from here. You can see if I'm going to go and update my liquidity heat map, we can see so many orders up to $70,000 and then nothing about this, which will make sense for the market makers to go and liquidate people all around $70,000 to then, of course, cause a more pronounced correction, maybe down to here, $64,000 ish. So it's going to be very interested to see what's going to be happening right now. So my plan is going to be probably to place a short around this area over here, because I'm expecting a little bit of a correction consolidation from here. Guys, let's also have a look at the S&P 500 as well. SPX, of course, forming still like in a beautiful channel. Looks like it could be going to a blow off top coming very soon in the next month or so, and that could be very important for stocks and crypto, because we can see Bitcoin forming a blow off top as well, and I can see the S&P 500 can continue to go up as high as $6,200 until this point over here on the weekly chart, where you're going to see a true bearish divergence on the RSI. That's what I would like to see right now. S&P 500 to push one more time, go up to here, and then finally going to have a proper correction to the downside, because right now it's been just going up and up non-stop because of the Fed cutting interest rates, because the European Central Bank cutting interest rate, and so much more. And the last one, guys, I want to show you again the DXY dollar currency index, very important as well. We are into a B wave, corrective wave, and then I'm expecting, you can see the rejection already from here. I'm expecting a C wave to come soon, down to 97 to 96. The US dollar is going to lose value, and of course, this is going to be very good for stocks and crypto. The last thing I want to show you guys, very important as well, Bitcoin is going higher, and as well the Bitcoin dominance is trending up like crazy. That's what we want to see in a proper Bitcoin blow off top, because if Bitcoin wasn't going up and then the altcoins were going up, then I would be concerned. But to see this scenario over here playing out, guys, that makes me very, very, very happy, because then what you can see over here, we're going to have an intersection around this area, the 61 2% around this area over here. And then when this is going to happen, we could be seeing a full alt season to start. And you can see that once going to happen, the alt season, altcoins are going to be completely crazy. So Bitcoin dominance rising along with Bitcoin as well. This is a bearish scenario. I was thinking about it, but don't worry too much about this. Weekly wise, as I said before, looks like, lots of people say we already broken this channel over here. I think we still have some work to do. I don't think it has been broken as per yet. I will be happy once it's going to touch this area over here. Once we're going to be able to break the $70,000, then I'm going to officially announce that we have broken this trend over here. But right now, guys, there is nothing to be too happy about. We're still down to here. We still could be expecting another drop down to this area and then to continue, or even something like this. So be careful the way you're trading. And if you want guidance, guys, VIP group is the way to go. You want to join, link in the bio. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope it was helpful. And let me know in the comment below, what do you think? Do you think we're going to go now straight to 90K, or are we going to have another correction? Take care, and I'm going to see you soon.